Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of web designing, I am going to illustrate lecture number 23. I have already uploaded 22 videos in this series and I hope you have watched those videos. If you haven't watched them yet, then watch them and come back to this video because all the videos and all the lectures are interconnected. If you are understanding the previous concept, it would be much easier for you to understand this lecture. So, watch the previous videos if you haven't watched them and come back to this one. If you are new to this channel, then please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the notification bell because as soon as you press the notification bell, you get the notifications of my latest uploads. If you are a subscriber of this channel, thanks for subscribing Fame World Educational Hub. Now let's start with the lecture number 23. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the concept of hyperlink. The concept of hyperlink is such that, let's say, hyperlink. The word is created by the two words hyper plus link. That means hyper means something which is overbit and link means which is connecting one thing to another. So here we are going to see the concept of this particular hyperlink, and here we will connect multiple files like file 1 to file 2 to file 3 and so on, or we can also create the backlinks of the similar file. So like this we can connect the files to each other. Let's see this in the HTML code. So here let's make a note. Let's say we use ahref, that is anchor tag. Anchor A stands for anchor tag, and this tag is used to connect the files. This is basically the anchor tag, and ahref, H for hyperlink, and ref for reference. Hyperlink reference. So anchor tag is used, and href is the attribute which is used with the anchor tag. So here we give the uh, address of the file, the URL to which we want to link. So let's write say say lecture. Let's say lecture 6, and now I will give the link to lecture 6. Lecture 6.html. This is a file which is previously created. Note this, the thing which is important here is that the file which we are going to link with our file should be previously created. Like this, lecture6.html is a previously created file which is in this particular folder. And now this is the lecture number 23. So just I'm saving this file and I'm going to the web browser, and you can see here is a link appearing here which is the link to lecture 6. So as soon as I see the link, I just click it and we will reach to the lecture number 6. And you can see this is the lecture 6. And how we will check that it is the lecture 6 or not? We just go to the lecture 6 directly and we will see. And I hope you have watched this video too. I hope you have watched this video. So this is the way to create the link. Now if we want to create some more links, like you are creating just have you seen the links on Google or any website, you can just go through from one place to another using these links. So as I have just created this link, there are two links appearing on this particular web page. Let's restart the browser. So there are two links. This is the link to the lecture 7. So this is the way to create the links. If you want to create a back link, then it's very simple. That is, if you want to create a back button, you just go to the particular link. Suppose lecture 6. Let's lecture 6 and let's create a backlink ahref And now I am on the file lecture6.html, means the file on which I have already reached, and now I will give the address of that file on which I have to go, as we have done previously. And now we have to go to the lecture number 23, and the name of the file is lecture23.html. And now we can just give anything which ever we want to write. It's not compulsory to write the name of the lecture or the name of the file. We just right click or we just write back. This shows that suppose we were on the file number 23, as you are browsing your particular file, and here you can see that there's a link. There are two links. The first one is to lecture 6, the second one is to lecture 7. I just clicked on the lecture 6, and we have recently created this backlink. So as soon as I click to this link, it will redirect me to the page from which we have just came, the hyperlink page, and this code, the lecture 23, which we were using. So I hope you are getting the concept of hyperlink. So simply you just have to create two files, and you can link them separately. I hope the concept is clear. I will make more videos on the concept of hyperlink. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, share with your friends, and stay tuned. See you in the next video.